Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robert with Complete Truck Body Repair out of Compton, California, and I'm showing you the Dhollandia LM15 today. The LM15 is Dhollandia's cantilever model, capable of 1,500 kilos or roughly about 3,000 pounds. We offer models upwards of 6,000 pounds and beyond for custom applications. This is what's known as a cantilever model. This model is operated with 4 cylinders, 2 for tilt, 2 for lift. Not all cantilever models have 4 cylinders. Some have 2, such as the Maxon GPC. This platform is approximately 48 inches tall and is made of extruded aluminum, making it a lot lighter than their steel counterparts. When operating this liftgate, for Dhollandia models, you'll be supplied with this plastic key. This key will go inserted into the control box located under the shroud and turned on. Dhollandia liftgates require that you operate the liftgate with 2 hands, pressing the button on the right and pressing the button in which you want to do. You have a combination of up, down, and tilt. When coming up, you'll press the right button, and at the same time, you'll press your up, down, or tilt. When wanting to tilt down but not come down, you'll press the middle button first, and then you'll press the down button, opening the platform up. The platform is equipped with automatic hazard lights that activate when the gate becomes down, and this is what's known as a level ride gate, meaning this liftgate will remain level the entire time you're coming up and down, and after it touches the ground, it will bow or present itself to allow you to roll your cargo on. After it's touched the ground, you can load up your cargo. Let's pretend this is a pallet. I place my pallet in the center of the platform, then come back here, and without touching the tilt button, just pressing up, the gate will automatically remember the level in which you set it, raising all the way up until you reach platform height. After you've reached platform height, you can then unload or load. If your cargo requires that you manually manipulate it on and off, or you need to hold the cargo as you load, Dhollandia offers a hand control that you can plug in to the side of the liftgate. And that is the Dhollandia LM15. Contact our office for pricing and availability.